Today we're going to be cooking a cake, and it's called a rum cake. So we're going to start out. You're going to need 1 yellow cake mix, 1 small package of vanilla instant pudding, 4 eggs, half a cup of oil, a half a cup of rum, half a cup of cold water. We're going to beat this for 2 minutes. Do your pan, grease it, and flour it like we always do when we make a cake. And then it says sprinkle chopped pecans on the bottom. They don't say how much, so. I put about a cup of pecans in there, chopped up real fine. Then we're gonna pour it into the pan. I'm gonna smooth it out. Preheat your oven to 325. Put it in the oven. We're going to cook this for an hour at 325, and then we're going to, when it gets halfway through, I'm going to start on the glaze that goes over it when it cooks. Get your pan, 1 cup of sugar. You got 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, a half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of rum. You mix all that together and you bring it to a boil. When I was putting my sauce together, I forgot to tell you, put the rum in it after you've boiled it. The last thing after you take it off the eye. I got this recipe from Classic Fare, A Cup of Kindness. I got this recipe book from J.C. Penney way back in the day. They were selling them as some kind of promotional. I bought me and my sister-in-law, and that Christmas, it was around Christmas time, and that Christmas, Jean made this rum cake, and it was out of this world. It was so good. And ever since then, I've passed that recipe along, and everybody loves it that's eaten it. We got to have that cake at Christmas. I've taken it out of the oven. We cooked it at 325 for an hour, and it's nicely brown, and we're going to pour it right over the top. I've punched a few holes in the cake to help it go down in there. We're going to let it sit here for about probably 30 minutes or more. It needs to be completely cooled, and then you can turn it out into your cake pan or cake taker or whatever you're gonna. And then when you flip it, it's going to be nice and moist, and you're going to have that pecan crust on the bottom. This is a winner. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you try it out. Rum cake is a great thing at Christmas, and everybody seems to like it. So until next time, God bless, and we'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.